glass build plate. So we're going to go back here and we're going to go to leveling. It's going to say please wait while the extruder and platform finish initial movements. Screw the 3 nuts under the platform counterclockwise until they are tight and tap the OK button. So we're talking about these 3. You really don't want them tight. You just want to make sure they're tightened. And then loosen them a little bit. And you say OK. I'm just going to verify the distance. Distance is too big. It says turn all 3 nuts under the platform clockwise equally until you hear the beep. But what we're really worried about is this one. So we're going to go up 1, 2. Oh, wrong way. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which actually pushes. And then here we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then the one in the back. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'll go ahead and loosen this up. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Now, I never heard a beep, but this changes up here. Please tap and verify. And that is because the little sensor is touching the plate. So we're going to say verify. Let's check it again. Looks like it's still a little too big. Perfect. And we're going to say okay, it's going to move to another position. Distance is too big. Turned it twice. So it just barely touches. Now it says verify. I never did hear a beep. Verify. Perfect. Congratulations. Move to the rear. directions, it's too big. Clockwise. Let's verify. And we verify. Too small. And turn it back the other way, just a smidge. Literally a eighth of a turn or something.
Return to the main menu. This is all I'm going to do with this machine. The teacher will take it from here. They're going to have to re-level it, add the filament and whatnot, and then they get it into the position that they want it.